This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to look at the ETF XLE. That is the big oil ETF. And we're going to look at the gasoline ETF, UGA. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Thanks for watching. Okay, first on the docket here we have XLE. Now this is a really nice sweet basket of all the big oil stocks like Exxon and Chevron, Valero, Schlumberger. All the good stuff is right in here. And the beauty of it is, hey, one or two oil companies, they don't do so good or something happens there. This is not going to go really radically down or sell off or things. This will basically ease everything right out because there's so many good stuff of all your big oil companies that are in this, okay? Plus, this pays a 5% dividend, okay? So this might be something you want to be interested in. So let's take a look here at the charts. First thing we want to look here is on the upside. So we want to look here at the 50 SMA, 81.99, okay? If you can close above, then we look to this 100 SMA here. You're sitting at 83.78, and then we'll look to the 200A sitting at 84.13. Now, those are going to be very, very strong resistant levels. If you can get above, then what we do is we look right here. You're sitting at 85.59. Then we'll look to this candle here, 86.68. And then we have the big retest up here sitting at 87.74. Then obviously, if you can close above, we have this target all the way up here. Okay, you're sitting at 93.15. Now on the downside, watch this, the bottom of this candle right here. You're sitting at 80.35. Okay, that is your gap right here. 80.08, that's the fill. Okay, so watch those two very close. Now, then what you want to do is look here at the 21. You're sitting at 79.08, and then what we want to do is look at this 8 SMA at 79.01. Okay, those are going to be your key support levels, and obviously if it's lost, then we go to the bottom of this candle, 78.24, and then you can have your big retest down here at 76.25. But you know, at this time of the year here, big oil and everything, this should be pretty nice. I am long this. I've been long this. Not just for the dividend, but it's a really good basket. So let's take a look here on the weekly and on your monthly. Okay, here it is on your weekly chart. Now, on the downside, you want to watch this key 8 SMA here sitting at 81.14. Okay, so obviously if that's lost, then we come down to the next candle here at 80.28. Then we'll look to the bottom here. You're looking at 78.24. Then your big retest here is 75.36, and then obviously your 100-day is right below that. That's 73.32. So that is your downside. Now your upside, you want to watch this 50 SMA here. So this is sitting at 82.57. Then we'll go to the 21 SMA here. You're sitting at 83.61. That is going to be your strong resistant levels. Now here on your monthly chart, watch this 21 SMA. You're sitting at 76.86. That's key support. And then you watch your 8-day sitting at 84.84. Now, again, if you can close above that 8-day, there's your target, 84.71. Okay, so this has a lot of good room here to run up here. And this is just a really good ETF. You can see where you got a good, nice side trading action here. But so you can buy this, hold this, and also scalp it daily. So let's take a look here now at the ETF for gasoline, UGA. All right, here we have the gasoline ETF, UGA. Now you can see where this thing is breaking above here, this key price channel, 62.05. Now you need to close above. That is the key. If you can close above, then we just start going up to these candles here. Okay, all the way up to the retest up here, which is basically 65.63. Now, when you look at this chart, you can see how it just beautiful action, nice trading action all the way on up. The key is going to be a break above that. Then we can start hitting all the rest of these here on these levels over here. So you're looking at 66.76. And then we can start going all the way up here, all the way to this key 80.29 area. Now, on the downside, we want to do is we want to watch all these SMAs here. So you can see how the 8 SMA here now is rolling on up. So you want to watch 59.76. You want to watch 59.15. That is your key 21 SMA here. We have your 50 SMA here. going on here. You're sitting at 59.79. So you got a good lot of good support underneath. The key is going to be a close above that price channel at 62.05. So let's take a look here on the old weekly and monthly. Okay, weekly chart. Really, really nice. See how now, what a great trader that is. Just up, down, up, and down. The key is going to be above that 65, 63. If you can get above, then you're going to go look here at this candle right there. You're looking at 66.76. Then we go right on this candle right here. Okay, you're looking at 73.99. And then your big retest there is 80.29. But this is a really nice chart. It just hasn't broken out yet, either up or down. I'm just thinking that this is going to break on up, especially coming into summer driving season. So you can see on the monthly chart here, you're just basically sideways action, but it's a good trading action to this UGA. So you can hold this thing long. I always buy this here in January, have a long position and run it right into Memorial Day and then right into the 4th of July holiday. But remember, gasoline is always good all the way till Labor Day, and then you have hurricane season there, which is a big disruption for oil and gasoline and natural gas here. So this is something that you might be interested in. All right, thanks for watching.